Derivatives, ang takdang aralin ni Nobita.
Wala akong maintindihan. Ano ba isasagot ko dito? Doraemon!
Nobita, ano na naman problema mo?
May assignment kami sa derivatives. Patulong!
Tara na, bumalik sa nakaraan.
Tara, Doraemon!
Are you the new student? Well, take a seat. Each room here is specific into differentiation of a derivative. Mine is the first rule, which is the derivative of a constant. C is equals to 0. Now, in your given equation, we can see that negative 9 is a constant. Therefore, following the rule of a derivative of a constant, and without any variable, we can say that negative 9 is equals to 0.
Ganun lang pala yun?
Where do you come from? Whatever. Welcome to the power rule class. We have the derivative of power function. It follows the power rule. This state the derivative of x raised to n is equal to nx raised to n minus 1. Example, we have the derivative of x raised to 3. First, we need to multiply the exponent of n, which is 3. And then we need to minus the exponent of x by 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So we have the answer 3x raised to 2.
The topic 3, which is called constant multiple. So this rule states that the derivative of a constant must be multiplied by the derivative of a function. So it will become constant multiplied by the derivative of a function. For example, we have f of x is equals to 8x raised to 6. We must first multiply the 8 to the exponent 6. So it will become 48. So, for the exponent naman, kailangan natin mag-minus 1 lang dyan para maging 5. So, the final answer will be f prime of x is equals to 48x raised to 5.
Derivative of a sum. So we have this formula, which is derivative of f of x plus g of x is going to be derivative of f of x plus derivative of f of g. So we have the given 2x squared, 2x4 minus 3x squared plus 5x plus 1. So what we're going to do here, multiply to the exponent, which is 8, becomes 8 and 3 times 2. So, and then we have 5, we're going to multiply to the imaginary one, which is, so we're going to apply the constant rule here, which is, it becomes 0. So we're going to cancel it. So now we have the answer 8x3 minus 6x plus 5.
Hello there and welcome. So today we'll be diving right into the derivative of a product. So a derivative of a product is when we are differentiating multiple functions and multiplying them by each other. A derivative of a product is related by the derivative of f of x and g of x, which is equivalent to f of x multiplied by the derivative of g of x and added by g of x multiplied by the derivative of f of x. So our example here, which is our f of x is going to be 2x plus 1, while our g of x is x squared plus 3. So first, when we will be taking their derivative. So for f of x, the derivative of 2x plus 1 is going to be 2. While for g of x, which is x squared plus 3, its derivative is going to be 2x. So with the formula, we'll be substituting our values. Our f of x, which is 2x plus 1, will be then multiplied by the derivative of g of x, which is 2x. It will then later on be added by g of x, which is x squared plus 3, then multiplied by the derivative of f of x, which is 2. Well, after multiplying the terms, we will then receive 4x squared plus 2x plus 2x squared plus 6. So combining the like terms, which is 4x squared and 2x squared, we will then have 6x squared plus 2x plus 6, which will then be our final answer.
Made it to the last class. Well, let's see. Minus derivative of a quotient. Well, some might say that this is the hardest part of derivative, but I'll tell you, it's actually one of the easiest. Our given is d over dx is equal to fx over gx, or equal to gx multiplied to the derivative of fx minus fx multiplied to the derivative of gx over gx squared. Well, it's actually pretty simple. It's just a bunch of substitution. So we have the given dx is equal to 7 over 2x plus 4 is equal to, first we need to get the derivative of 7 and 2x plus 4. The derivative of 7 applying the constant rule is 0. For 2x plus 4, we have 2 and 4 cancelled due to constant derivative rule. And that is the final answer. This is the class of derivative of a quotient rule. Well, thank you for applying for our class and I hope that you learned something. Oh.
Saan ka galing?
Tinataguan mo ba kami? Gawin mo kami assignment ha?
Oo nga.
No?
Opo. Wala pa ako sagot. Turuan ko na lang kayo.
Number 1, square root of 5. Ayan, constant yan.
Sinisigawan mo ba ako, Nobita?
Gusto mo briefing ka namin?
Hindi!
Sige. Pagpatuloy mo.
Number 2, di ba? F of x is equals to 10.
Oo.
Constant yan. Kaya magiging 0.
Ano yung
Ayan, tapos na. Ayan, number 10.
Paano nakuha yung 10?
Sa example yan!
O sige. Ito lang yan. So dito, ito yung given natin. X raised to negative 9. Tama? So ito, meron siyang imaginary 1. So ang gagawin natin dito is ipag-multiply muna natin ang 1 dito sa negative 9. So 1 multiplied by negative 9 is 9, negative 9. Then bababa na natin ito, so magiging sagot na nito is negative 9x. Tama? Tapos, di sa ano natin, sa roots natin, meron tayong is negative 1. Ang gagawin naman natin, ipag-mamayos naman natin sila. So, ngayon meron na tayong negative 9x minus 1. Negative 1. So ngayon, magiging sagot naman niya is negative 10. So ipagsasama na natin siya. Kaya ang final answer natin is negative 9x, negative 10. Yun na yung final answer natin. X raised to 7. Lagi tayong may imaginary 1 dito kung saan natin siya i-multiply. So ipag-multiply muna natin siya. So magiging sagot niyan is positive 7x. Okay? And then lagi kasama sa rows natin is yung negative 1. Lagi siya kasama. So positive 7 plus negative 1 is equals to 6. So ang sagot na natin, ang final answer natin is 7x 6.
Oh, ikaw naman sa topic 3. Explain mo.
Oo na. Okay, based sa pangatlong theorem, yung formula is the derivative of x raised to n equals to the nx raised to n minus 1. So yung first example is y equals to negative 10 x raised to 11. So yung first step is i-multiply mo yung constant sa 11. Magiging 110. Then copy yung x. Tapos 11 minus 1 is equals to 10. Okay. So yung pangalawang example, f of x equals to 9x raised to negative 4. So yung first step is i-multiply ulit yung 9 sa exponent, which is negative 4, magiging negative 36x. Then yung exponent minus 1, which is negative 4 minus 1 equals to negative 5. Tama ba?
Tama.
Paano ba yung topic 4?
Wala rin akong maintindihan.
Ano ba yan? Ako rin, nakalimutan ko na kung paano gawin yung topic 4. Doraemon!
Ano yun, Nobita?
Patulong, Doraemon!
Ito nga, magbibigay ako ng example. Pag-multiply na natin ang 4 at 3 at magiging 12. At pag-minus natin ang 3 at 1 at magiging 2 siya. So, magiging 12x2. Sunod naman, katulad ng ginawa natin sa isa, pag-multiply natin ang 2 plus times 2 at magiging 4. Pag minusan mo ng 1 yung 2, magiging 1 siya. So, invisible na siya. Kaya magiging 4x. And yung constant natin na 7 is magiging 0 and di na natin lalagay. So, ang final answer ay 12x squared plus 4x.
Ganito pala, Doraemon. So, imumultiply ko yung exponent sa 8. Kaya magiging 40x. Tapos, ima-minus ko naman ang 5 sa 1. So, magiging 4. Tapos, ang exponent naman ng 6, negative 6x raised to 3. Tapos, ang gagawin naman sa 9x is yung exponent ng 9x is may 1. Kaya, ang gagawin naman sa 1 is multiply mo sa 9. Tapos, yung naka-raise na 1 is babawasan mo ng 1, kaya magiging x raised to 0. And yung x raised to 0 magiging 1, tapos i-multiply mo sa 9. Kaya, magiging sagot is 9. Tsaka yung susunod naman is yung constant na 4. According to the rule number 1, constant is always 0. Tapos, ito na yung final answer, Doraemon. 40x raised to 4 minus 18x squared plus 9.
Can you please explain?
So we have derivative of 3x squared plus 2 multiplied to 2x minus 3. For our first term, we have 3x squared plus 2 multiplied to 2. So we just need to multiply. So the answer to our first term would be 6x squared plus 4. And next, for our second term, we have 2x minus 3 multiplied to 6x. And the answer would be 12x squared minus 18x. So after that, we need to combine all the like terms. So here we have 6x squared plus 4 plus 12x squared minus 18x. And the answer to that is 18x squared minus 18x plus 4. So for the next example, we have derivative of x squared plus 3x multiplied to x cubed minus 2. So for our first term, we have x squared plus 3x multiplied to 3x squared. So it is equals to 3x raised to 4 plus 9x cubed. And for our second term, we have x cubed minus 2 multiplied to 2x plus 3. So the answer would be 2x raised to 4 plus 3x cubed minus 4x minus 6. So after that, we need to combine all the like terms. So we have 3x raised to 4 plus 9x cubed plus 2x raised to 4 plus 3x cubed minus 4x minus 6. And our final answer would be 5x raised to 4 plus 12x cubed minus 4x minus 6.
So for homework 6, we have the given 5 over 3x plus 1. We both will have to get the derivative of both. So the derivative of 5 is 0, the derivative of 3x plus 1 is 3. So we will have to substitute it. This is the gx multiplied to the derivative of fx minus the fx and the derivative of gx. So for the denominator, we will just have to substitute the gx squared. And so we will have to multiply 3x plus 1 multiplied to 0. It will be 0 or cancel. Negative 5 multiplied to 3 will be 15. And for our denominator, we will just have to copy it. So our final answer is negative 15 over 3x plus 1 squared. And for our second given, we have the x over x plus 10. So what we're going to do, we both have to get both of their derivatives. The derivative of x is 1. So for the derivative of x plus 10 is equal to 1. So 10 got cancelled because it doesn't have any variable. And applying the constant rule, it will just be a 0 value, so it get cancelled. So we have the value 1. So like the other example, we will have to substitute the numbers given. So for our g of x multiplied to the derivative of fx minus fx multiplied to the derivative of gx. And for denominator, we will just have to copy our gx and square it. So for x plus 10 multiplied to 1, we have the x plus 10. Negative x multiplied to 1, we have negative x. So as you can see, we both have an x here and we can just both cancel it because they both have a different operation. For our denominator, we will just have to copy it. Our final answer will be 10 over x plus 10 squared.
Ito naman.
Yun! Dapat